Come back to subscribe, please. Today, we're diving into MINE Holdings, ticker symbol $MIH, a cryptocurrency coin. We'll explore how to buy $MIH on both MEXC Global and through PancakeSwap on the Binance Smart Chain, or BSC. You might consider purchasing $MIH if you believe in its underlying project and potential for growth. It's important to note that $MIH is available on MEXC Global and through PancakeSwap on the Binance Smart Chain, or BSC. First, let's walk through buying $MIH on MEXC Global. To start, you'll need to create an account on MEXC Global, complete the KYC, or Know Your Customer, verification process if required, and enable two-factor authentication for enhanced security. Once your account is set up, log into MEXC Global and navigate to the Deposit section. Choose a cryptocurrency to deposit, such as USDT or BTC. Copy the deposit address provided or scan the QR code, and then send your chosen cryptocurrency from your external wallet to the provided address. After the funds are deposited, go to the Trade section and search for the $MIH/USDT trading pair. Analyze the order book and charts to understand the current market conditions. Place a buy order for $MIH, choosing either a limit order, where you specify the price you want to buy at, or a market order, where you buy at the current market price. Confirm the order, and wait for it to execute. Finally, to withdraw $MIH from MEXC, navigate to the Withdraw section, select $MIH, enter your $MIH wallet address, input the withdrawal amount, complete any required security checks, like a 2FA code, and submit the withdrawal request. EXT, let's explore buying $MIH on PancakeSwap. To begin, you'll need to set up a BSC-compatible wallet, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet, and configure it to connect to the Binance Smart Chain network. Fund your BSC wallet by buying BNB on Binance or another exchange, and then withdraw the BNB to your BSC wallet address. Very important, make sure you select the BP20 network, which is the BSC network, when withdrawing. After that, go to the PancakeSwap website at pancakeswap.finance, double-checking to be sure this is the correct URL to avoid scams. Click the Connect Wallet button, select your wallet, and follow the prompts to connect it to PancakeSwap. Now you're ready to swap BNB for $MIH. In PancakeSwap, navigate to the Trade section, then Swap. Select BNB as the token you are paying with, that's the From token, and select $MIH as the token you're receiving, that's the To token. You might need to import the $MIH contract address into PancakeSwap. Enter the amount of BNB you want to swap. Review the transaction details including slippage tolerance and gas fees. You may need to approve the BNB spending limit in a first transaction if you haven't done so already. Finally, confirm the swap transaction in your wallet, and wait for the transaction to confirm on the Binance Smart Chain. Also, import the $MIH token contract address into your wallet to view your $MIH balance. If we're investing, it's crucial to understand the risks involved in cryptocurrency investments, including volatility, project viability, regulatory uncertainty, and security risks. Always research $MIH thoroughly. Read the white paper, understand the project goals and the team behind it, assess the community sentiment, and analyze the tokenomics, which is the economics of the token. In summary, there are two main methods for buying $MIH, through MEXC Global and through PancakeSwap. Always remember the importance of doing your own research, or DYOR, and always be mindful of the inherent risks associated with cryptocurrency investments, and invest responsibly. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe Please.